About 50% of our day is made up of habits, things we don't even think about as we're doing them. Hi, I'm Dana Zellers, and I'm a corporate and executive coach. And today I wanted to give you a few tips on incorporating habits into your life. Tip 1, break your goals into habits. So think about the things that you want in your life and how you can break those down into habits. So maybe it's focusing on getting a better start to your day and something you want to do as a part of your morning routine. Maybe it's exercise to make you feel better and healthier and able to accomplish more things. Maybe it's just setting aside an amount of time that you're going to work on something every day with regularity so that it will add up. Tip 2, structure your habit. So what we want to do to establish a habit is we want to break it down into the smallest thing that we can start to do on a regular basis. Something we can't not do. It is so small. Then we want to create a trigger so that we're always remembering to do that. It's great to tie them onto something that you already are doing in your day. So when you brush your teeth, right after that, you will do something else that's a part of your habit. Then we want to track it. And so we want to have literally a checkbox that we mark off in some way every day to show that we're moving forward on that habit. When we're first establishing habits, we want to make sure that we're setting some extra reminders, maybe sticking Post-its around our home to make sure that we're remembering to do this to establish it. Tip 3, breaking bad habits. So this is a little trickier, but it can be done. And so there's probably 2 ways that are the best approach for this. So one is replacing your existing bad habit with something else. So instead of reaching for that ice cream or turning on that TV or whatever it is you're doing, find something else that you can swap in when you're about to do that bad thing. The other option is creating some friction. So with the example of ice cream, don't keep ice cream in the house. You can have ice cream, but you can only have it if you go to the store. You're going to be less likely to do that. So when the trigger happens and you're craving ice cream, you're not doing it some of the time, and so that habit starts to dissipate. Habits can be a great way to change the way that you're spending your time and do it in a way that's relatively easy. Habits can take up to 66 days, so the important part is to be particularly focused while you're establishing the habit so that then you don't have to think so much about it. If you'd like to talk about habits or anything else that can get you ahead at work, please reach out. Thank you.